Oh hi, didn't see you there. I'm reading this great book I just got delivered from Library Alexandria website. What is Library Alexandria, you ask? Well, Luca can answer that question.
To start off, you're going to want to head on over to the Sequoia website. Hover over the Academics option at the top of your screen. Here. Then, a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you're going to find the Library tab. Click on it, and it will take you to the library homepage. From here, scroll down and find the Alexandria Researcher picture, and click on it. This will take you to the Alexandria Researcher page. This website is where everything library related is located. Here, you'll be able to check out, return, and browse books. Before you begin, you must log in. On the homepage of Alexandria Researcher, there is a login option. When you click this, a prompt asking for a username and password should pop up. In the username side, type in your student ID number, and in the password side, type in your last name with the first letter capitalized. I'll hand it on over to Parker to inform you on how and where to check out and return library books.
Thanks, Luca. Okay, so when you visit the website, you should see 8 different options. Each tab is unique in itself and offers a variety of searching options and information, but we will only cover 5 of the 8 of them right now. Starting with the part of the website you will use the most, the regular search option. This searching tool, as the name implies, allows you to search and check out books with this nifty hold button. However, that's not its only feature. You can also use it to preserve popular writings, make book lists, and access a simpler version of itself with the Scout sub-option. This Scout sub-option can be accessed without logging in and acts as an easier way to navigate the library. Similarly, the Explore and Browse buttons can also be accessed without logging in, and they both have unique ways of navigation, with the Explore section searching by category, and the Browse section acting as a virtual bookshelf. The other option you should know about is the Status button. This part of the website gives you everything you would need to know about your current book status, like books you currently have checked out, any late fees you need to pay, and what books you're currently holding.
Oh, you're back already? Well, I hope your questions about Library Alexandria have been answered. If you'll excuse me, I have to get back to my book now.